Hi everyone! Today we're going to be trying out this kit called Squishy Soap. It's by the brand Horizon Group USA. I bought this kit in Michael's Arts and Crafts for $7, and it includes one bag of colorful glutinous rice flour, one bottle of liquid soap, one soap mold, one designer transfer sheet, and the easy to follow instructions. Let's open the package. This is the colorful rice flour, liquid soap, the transfer sheet, this is a tattoo, a soap mold, this is a whale. I think different kits have different characters, and the instructions in English and French. So aside from the things that come with the kit, we're also going to be needing a steamer pot like this one. We're going to be steaming our soap. I think this step is just to for the soap to keep its shape, and we're also going to be needing some water so we can boil. This step is supposed to be done by adults, so you need a parent or guardian to do the boiling for you. And if you don't have a steamer pot, you can always search online for hacks. I will link some links below in the description box. We're also going to be needing a container like this one to mix our soap in. It has to be 8 ounces or larger. And we're also going to need some utensils to mix with. They can be disposable. Scissors. Last but not least, some foil paper. The first thing we're going to do is pour all of the flour into our container. Now we're going to pour the liquid soap. Now we're going to mix carefully with a fork or spoon. When you see the mixture turn into crumbles like this, we can use our hands . Our mixture needs to be doughy, like pizza dough. If it's still crumbly like this, we can always add a few drops of water. So it took me a few tries to get it doughy like this, but I think we have it. It's not crumbling up anymore. Now that your dough is ready, we're going to finally use the mold. We need to flatten it out like this. We're going to take our mold and we're going to press it down like so. We can take away the excess. Just like this. The excess, I'm going to try and just pack it in there so nothing goes to waste. I think this is as smooth as I can get it. This is the bottom and this is the top. I'm going to push down so it can just come out of the mold carefully. We are ready to steam. We're going to add 2 to 3 cups of water to our steamer, and we're going to bring it to a boil. We're going to time it for 10 minutes. Our 10 minutes are up. I'm going to turn off the stove. And we're not supposed to open the lid just yet. I'm going to wait 3 to 5 minutes before opening the lid, and then we'll see what happens. It has been 5 minutes. And this is what we have. We're going to let this cool off for 30 minutes and then we're almost finished. Our soap is completely cooled. This is how it looks like. It's a little bit wrinkly, but it's all solid. So this is what we have. It's supposed to look like this. I think it looks kind of like the picture, but this process was super fun to make. I'm gonna let it sit for a minute and then we're going to test out. So we are ready to use our soap. It does squish. And here we go, some water. Look at this, it's pretty cool. Oh, that tattoo is coming off. Oh no, but that's okay, it works. It washes your hands. So the directions say, after you have used your soap once, make sure to let it fully air dry and then put inside a plastic bag with holes. This soap will only stay perfect for about 2 to 3 days, even inside the bag. It says that your soap is made from natural ingredients like rice flour, and it doesn't include preservatives, the stuff that keeps your food fresh for longer. You need to make sure to use this quickly before any reactions occur. Thank you everybody for watching. As always, you can follow me on my social media sites. Thank you guys. Have a good day.